Breakers. Today is Thursday, February 27th, 2020. We're here doing a personal box for Michael of 2019-20 Prizm Blaster Box. We just hit him as Zion, so now we're going for some Ja. Good luck, buddy. Let's get it. Do the jersey last. Alright, good luck, buddy. Let's see if we start out with Ja. Nope. Last card, or last box, first card was Zion. Alright. Clyde Drexler, Lonnie Walker, Kyle Kuzma Dominance insert, Austin Rivers. Justin Jackson, Troy Brown, Instant Impact Nazir Little, and Dylan Windler, rookie. Dwayne Dedman, Damian Lillard, Derek Favors, Silver, DeAndre Hunter, rookie. Come on, Ja. Langston Galloway, Derek Favors. We got purple, DeAndre Ayton. That's nice. Klay Thompson. Rodions. Evan Fournier. We got NBA finalist Larry Bird. Grant Williams, rookie. Alright, need more jersey. Serge Ibaka. Paul Millsap, jersey. Lillard green, and Jay Crowder. Not as good as the box before that one. Sorry, buddy. Appreciate you. We'll get these all packed up and shipped out for you.